We love color. I mean, our projects are characterized by color. We love color.
I think the most important when we design home is to create an atmosphere, it's create a space where the people feel good.
We think house like story, like music.
From the beginning we want a home where we could experiment, draw and create design objects.
My name is Julie, I'm French, I'm from Paris.
And I'm Giuseppe, I'm Italian from Naples. We are a partner in life and work. We are partners in La Fotosintesi, it's an architectural studio based in Naples.
I love all the home, but I think entrance, I love it.
Me too, and the mezzanine too. It's a nice space. I don't know. You are in the middle of the house. You can see all the high ceiling.
The bedroom on morning is like the best place in the world, I think. I don't like morning, but since I live here, it makes me love morning. It makes me love waking up.
Where you are on the bed in the morning, you see really the Vesuvius, the sun. It's really nice. Yeah, if you go to Naples, you see this contrast. You see there are a lot of beauty, a lot of the city that it's abandoned, but it's under the big sun.
I think that Naples has been the start of this home. Naples has inspired us.
So the idea for the project, we put a lot of history because Naples is a historical city where there is a little bit of modernity. We keep the old floor and we contrast with a little bit of modernity. Furniture, the lamp, the kitchen.
We were walking in the street because we were visiting another home close to this one and saw this house that had been abandoned for years. And then when we back home, we saw on internet this house, so we went to visit it and we had a crush. The floor plan has remained mostly unchanged.
There was a wall here and there was the kitchen and here there was the bedroom.
We changed the function of the rooms in order to create a large living room with an open kitchen and a comfortably sized bedroom. We wanted to preserve a large entrance, something we always try to include in our projects. We also had a mezzanine that contains a study area. We designed this desk that can be put away to create a guest room.
We have another set that goes to the terrace.
Hot damn! Jump on board for a wild ride into a world of colour, creativity, design and delight with this bold and beautiful issue of our magazine. First stop is Madrid, with Gone architects who are bringing bathrooms back and sexy too. And then we have some Neapolitan magic for you with La Fotosintesi. Get ready to have your mind blown and your eyeballs elated with their imaginative approach to colour and design. Bellissimo! From the hot kitschy mess and magnificence of Memphis, Milano, to the pinky hues synonymous with the grandfather of Mexican modernism, Luis Barragan, we explore the language of colour, how colour and culture intersect and how colour builds desire too, with small home inspiration from Kuala Lumpur, Sydney and Naples, and a tour of Ricardo Bofill's Symphony of Terracotta and Turquoise, Walden 7. There's so much more inside, including expert advice on how best to welcome colour into the walls of your home, a typewriter with nipples, and nudie Rudy rugs. Wild! Subscribe now for free worldwide shipping.
The entrance is surprisingly spacious for this type of apartment. The floor features a pattern mix of original tiles from the era. We feel they give a lot of character to the home. The closet in the entrance is an original one.
We bring it up from the windows. There was two guys here on the balcony with that take the top and I push from down. Yeah.
The chair in the entrance is from Anonima Castelli. The chose is for the key and we designed it, yes. original period doors over 3 meters tall, open into the living room and bedroom. The custom kitchen is a very simple, clean, horizontal element where all the functions are integrated. It's really compact, but functional, super functional. And then this door, the left, you can find all the products to clean.
There's the bin, the washing machine, we have all the stuff to cook.
The refrigerator was placed under the mezzanine and hidden away.
During the renovation, we removed the wallpaper and uncovered the original colors of the time. We kept the color because it was nice to mix really the past and the modern. We love this color because it's really linked to the color of outside of the garden.
In the living room, the couch, vintage from Edra, and we found it in Florence.
It's the homme et la femme, the women and men, it's called. Because this is women, there's men. We need a coffee table, but there are a lot of stuff in this apartment, so we decided to make something clear that it disappears.
We liked the contrast of the new windows, super modern, with the context.
Yeah, because there was a normal window split in two, and so we saw this beautiful panorama, so we wanted just one window to make like a painting.
When we started Naples, we were so surprised that there are a lot of craftsmanship, and so we start to have fun. We start to design a lot of things. In the living room, we designed this console, and we designed this table.
We love nature, so we bring a lot of plants. So this one, it was on the big road. There is a man that sold the plant. We take with us the motorbike and we drive through Naples with this big tree.
And I was behind Giuseppe with my hand. I hold it, and I was like, behind him. It was so funny.
We found the light in our house.
We wanted something very simple in contrast with the light. And then the man that did the orange part decided, without telling us, to do these things. And so we were like, oh, nice, okay, it's nice.
The living area is paved with vintage cement tiles. To match the original green of the walls, we painting all the frame and the bottom of the walls and the bottom of the curtains with the sage green.
In the bedroom, the red applique was designed by Heustad Lesten in the 1960s, and it's the applique that I prefer in the house because it's the first one that we bought. It's a symbolic one. The entrance and the bedroom is connected, and so that's why we decided to put our clothes in the entrance and to make it functional.
So we found a red painting on the wall. We found also a little heart. There's a little graved heart in the wall. It was covered by the paper. It's a religious sign. We keep the color and then we contrast with this red Pompeian color of the floor.
The green coat hanger, we found it in a vintage store. We bought it because it was nice. It was funny.
The bathroom is hidden under the mezzanine. It's a little space, so we prefer to have a big shower. To make more natural the bathroom, we choose to have a floor with stones. We mix with some vintage stuff like the basin that we found. Generally, when we have a small space, we like to have some big furniture in a small place. The bright metal orange staircase leading to the mezzanine is a bold sculptural feature in the room. Because we want another contrast with the apartment, so we put these orange stairs in steel. No, it's really nice to work upstairs because you have the landscape, you have the light of the terrace. It's really quiet and it's really nice.
And you feel elevated. We designed this desk that can be put away to create a guest room.
We have another stairs that go to the terrace that we choose to make white to have more contrast with the orange one.
The terrace is one of the best parts, I think.
We spend also a lot of time in the morning because we have a hot shower. You can see the mountain, the volcanoes, the sea. And also all the historical part of Naples. You see all the church.
In small spaces, not everything has to be functional. This console, for example, that we put here is absolutely not functional. So it's a gift that, that we made to ourselves to have furniture in a small space, not functional. And these things feel like the space is bigger, I think. It's like some objects that make you happy.
Inspired by this home and the couple who created it, you'll find more from them in issue 4 of our magazine. Plus, enjoy 2 postcards featuring their home. Subscribe now for free worldwide shipping.
Thanks for watching. If you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.